Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo A83 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and here select add account. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, choose Google obviously. And now it's time to enter your phone number or email address, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And as only the password is entered, mark OK, and then decide if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo. Select next, then here go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, and mark I agree. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Now it's connected with your device. You can use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.